pickleball court installed in Bayshore, New York. There's an apartment complex built by Tritek. We installed a pickleball court with an asphalt base. We utilize dark blue color for the pickleball inlay, strap it with the white line, and the outer bound part of it we use a dark green. It's a little tight of a pickleball area, but that's the only space we had to work with. Lots of people use the pickleball. We use an adjustable netting. This comes with extensions that can be added to it to be played, used for badminton or volleyball. This is the latest sports court built by Gappsi in Bayshore, New York.